On September 16, 2024, under the hot Texas sun, a DPS trooper stopped a truck towing a cargo trailer on US 77 in Kenedy County.
You don't know where the insurance is? Is this your pickup?
No, it's not mine. I'm
Driving it for a buddy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it's a limo?
Yeah, it's an older limo.
Have you seen it?
97. It's all black, yeah. It's all black, like a 97 Lincoln.
So here's my question, man. Can I search that trailer?
Yeah.
And the limo inside of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
A limo?
You see the tools right there, Jack?
Wait. Run that.
Hey bro, I need that square bit.
Troopers discovered a false wall, and hidden behind that wall were migrants sweating profusely. They were crammed into a tiny compartment with poor air ventilation, and troopers took immediate action to take down the wall.
You got a flashlight on it?
Yeah. There's people in there, bro.
Is it really?
Yeah.
A total of 16 individuals were discovered.
I'm gonna get them out, bro.
Yeah.
It's too hot.
Tear that.
Yeah.
This incident highlights the severe dangers of illegal immigration, where smugglers risk the lives of undocumented migrants by cramming them into unsafe spaces.
Say it's more than 10.
All 16 unauthorized migrants were referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. The driver was arrested and charged with 16 counts of smuggling of persons with the likelihood of serious bodily injury. Authorities continue to urge migrants to seek legal and safe pathways rather than trusting criminals who exploit their desperation. Want to see more videos showing local law enforcement support in the fight to keep our borders safe? Just click on any of the thumbnails that pop up on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.